Here's pre-calc. It's problem 2-128. It wants to know the coordinates of sine and cosine for each of these angle measures in a unit circle. So you're not going to find those on your unit circle, so you kind of have to just guesstimate. So I drew like just a generic unit circle here, and I'm trying to do 4 pi over 7. So the way I think of it is that that's 4/7 of a pi. And I know that halfway around the circle's pi. So I want 4/7. I'm just trying to find out which quadrant it's in. So I know that 4/7 is a little bit more than half. So it's more than half of the pi. So I know it's in quadrant 2. And so if it's in quadrant 2, cosine, remember, is the x values. So cosine is going to be negative, but sine is the y values. So sine is going to be positive. So I wrote cosine negative, sine positive, or you can go like that. The next one is negative 3 pi over 5. So again, I thought of it as 3/5 of pi. So 3/5 is a little bit more than half, because like 2.5 is half of 5. So 3/5 is a little bit more than half, but I know that I'm going around this way because it's negative 3/5. So I'm going to go around a little bit more than half, and I'll end up in quadrant 3. So in quadrant 3, cosine is negative and sine is negative. Okay, so 37 pi over 9. So that one, I kind of tried to figure out how many times around that is, and I broke it down into 36 over 9 plus 1 over 9. So 36 over 9, that's over 9 pi. That's 4 pi, which would have been twice around plus a little more. So it's going to be twice around, because 36/9 of pi is twice around, and then plus a little more. So that's going to put us in quadrant 1. And in quadrant 1, everything's positive.